Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 17 mistakes done when implementing Lean, why each one should be avoided along with the negative impacts they cause. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and leave your comment below so I know if you like this video or which content should I create next. And we are already on mistake 11, lack of patience and expecting instant results. Yep, Lean is a long-term strategy, not a quick fix. Expecting immediate results can lead to disappointment and abandoning Lean prematurely. Unrealistic expectations creates frustration, loss of confidence in Lean, and discontinuation of efforts before they can deliver real value. The way to correct that is to set realistic timelines for improvement. Communicate that Lean is about gradual and continuous gains over time. Celebrate small wins and show the cumulative impact over the long term. Number 12. Neglecting to sustain improvements. Why is that a mistake? After implementing improvements, it's easy to slip back into old ways if there's no system to sustain changes, especially in a 5S implementation. Workspaces quickly return to disorganized, inefficient states, and any improvements are lost. How to correct it? Implement clear procedures and accountability for maintaining the 5S system. Use regular audits, visual management, and involve the team in consistently applying the new standards. Number 13. Imposing Lean from top-down without input from the team. Top-down initiatives that don't involve employees' input ignore the on-the-ground reality and lead to poor implementations. Employees feel alienated, resulting in resistance, disengagement, and a lack of ownership. What you can do is to encourage a bottom-up approach where employees contribute to process improvements. Leaders should guide the process but rely on the insights and feedback of frontline workers who know the process best. And we are at mistake number 14, not allocating enough resources. Yes, Lean initiatives require time, people, and resources to succeed. Expecting teams to implement Lean on top of their regular workload without additional support can cause burnout. Overworked teams lead to stress, low morale, and half-hearted Lean efforts. So how to correct that? Allocate dedicated time and resources to Lean activities. This includes time for training, problem solving, and implementing new standards. Number 15. Failing to communicate Lean's purpose and benefits. If employees don't understand why Lean is being implemented or how it benefits them, they will be less motivated to participate. Lack of understanding leads to resistance and confusion about the purpose of Lean efforts. How to correct it? Communicate clearly about the goals of Lean and how it will improve work for everybody. Share success stories, highlight the benefits to individuals and the company, and ensure everyone understands their role in the process. Number 16. Failing to scale Lean efforts across departments. Implementing Lean in isolated pockets rather than integrating it across the organization results in localized success, but overall inefficiency. Other departments will continue working inefficiently and the entire organization won't experience the full benefits of Lean. To correct this mistake, it's important to approach Lean as an organization-wide initiative rather than limited it to an isolated team or department. Here's how. Cross-department collaboration. Encourage collaboration between departments. For example, if production team is using Lean, involve logistics, procurement, and sales in the Lean process to create seamless value flow. Unified Lean strategy. Develop a unified Lean strategy that can be tailored for different departments. Each department should understand the broader organizational goal while being able to apply Lean to its specific needs. Standardization and consistency. Implement standard work practice that are applicable across the company. Standardizing Lean principles ensures that the same improvement methodologies are used in every department, promoting consistency. And regular Lean audits. Conduct regular cross-functional Lean audits. This allows other departments to learn from each other's improvements and challenges, facilitating a smooth Lean adoption across the entire organization. As outcome, when scaled properly, Lean drives holistic efficiency, reduces silos, and ensures the entire organization is working in harmony, leveraging Lean across all functions. And last but not least, number 17, imposing Lean from the top down. Implementing Lean without team involvement or input causes resentment and resistance. Lean works best when employees at all levels contribute to its success. Top-down initiatives feel forced, leading to lack of buy-in, low morale, and superficial implementation of Lean principles. Correcting this requires shifting to a bottom-up approach where employees are actively involved in Lean activities, ensuring better buy-in and long-term success. Here's how. Empower employees. Involve team members in Lean problem-solving and decision-making processes. Employees on the front lines often have valuable insights into inefficiencies and wastes. Empowering them fosters ownership and enthusiasm for Lean. Encourage Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Promote the idea of Kaizen where everyone contributes to small continuous improvement. This ensures Lean is seen as a collaborative effort, not a management directive. Appoint Lean champions or advocates within teams who are responsible for guiding Lean efforts and fostering collaborative involvement. These champions serve as role models and connect upper management to the workforce. Establish regular feedback sessions between management and employees. This ensures employees feel heard and that their suggestions for process improvement are being considered and implemented. As an outcome, you will see a shifting from top-down approach to a more inclusive, collaborative environment, increases employees buy-in, reduces resistance, and makes Lean initiatives more effective and sustainable. When employees feel that they are part of the change, they are more likely to embrace and maintain the improvements. By avoiding these common mistakes and addressing them with the suggested corrective actions, companies can ensure their Lean implementations are more successful, sustainable, and beneficial in the long term. And that's it! I wish you a lot of success in your Lean implementations, and see you!